The upstairs area is actually built as a massive action scene on a street, and they've got a big propane tank up there. There's some cars and stuff. It's like just a groovy street down here. The action hero will jump over the turnstile, save the woman, and then on. Okay, so that's just a mild California tremor. Uh-oh, this might be the big one. Oh no, okay, so remember when I said there's a set upstairs? It's coming down so you can get a better look at it. No one would... Oh, felt that with propane! That was probably a bad idea. Okay, so Roy, the set upstairs is coming down to see you. I'm really freaking out. This might be my first earthquake. Can't feel on my money. Okay, the floor is cracked and is now on fire next to me, which makes me feel incredibly safe. I didn't even get to finish pairing. What is that noise? What is that noise? That's not funny. What? How is that even possible? What's going on? Is it open? Let's get out of here! The water main just broke! Look at Kathy, we're all gonna die! She looks so confident. I can't deal with it.